How to fix the MacBook keys are not working on your Mac computer. So if you're trying to type on your keyboard and either some of the keys are not working or specific keys aren't working, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and fix this issue. Now, if you can't follow any of these steps, you can just move on to the next solution. So the first thing we need to do is obviously make sure your keyboard is free from any dust and debris. So if there's a particular key that's not working, you can just try cleaning the keyboard with a cloth. Sometimes you may get dust or dirt stuck inside the keyboard, and that's the reason why it's not working. Now, once you've cleaned your keyboard, head over to your Mac desktop like this and click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side. You can then press System Settings and then click on Accessibility. You can then scroll down to Keyboard and make sure the sticky keys are turned off like this, and also make sure slow keys are turned off as well. Now head back over to the previous window, click on Pointer Control, and make sure the mouse keys are also turned off and disabled. Now, if it's still not working, we can click on General from the left hand side, click on Software Update, and just ensure that your Mac is fully up to date. Sometimes this can also fix any potential issues with the software or the hardware, including the keyboard. Now, if you've tried all of the steps so far and your keyboard is still not working, then what you'll need to do is reset the SMC. Now, to do this, first go and turn off and shut down your Mac computer. Once your computer is fully turned off, you need to hold down the following keys. Hold down the left shift key, the control key, the option key, and then also hold the power button down, all for 10 seconds. So we're going to continue holding all of these keys down for 10 seconds. You can then release the button and try turning your MacBook back on and checking if your keyboard is now working. If you're still having an issue, then come back over to the power button and you're just going to hold the power button down for 60 seconds. So even when the screen goes black and the MacBook turns off, make sure to continue to hold this button down. After 60 seconds have passed, you can then turn on your Mac computer and your keyboard keys should now be working.